This week we went over what Pemdas is in our Google Meet. You guys might call it Pemdas, whatever you call it, but it stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. You might know it also as please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, but we are going to go over what Pemdas is this Google Meet. So, this is the order we do operations in an equation. So we start with parentheses, then go to exponents, but for multiplication and division, these can be interchanged and we work on them left to right. So we go in order from left to right for multiplication and division, and with addition and subtraction, we do the same. We go left to right. So let's practice this with our first problem. Okay, so we have this one to practice. So I've written that up there. 4 plus 3 in parentheses times 10 divided by 2 plus parentheses 5 times 6. So we'll start with the parentheses. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 times 6 is 30. Then we can cross off the p and carry everything else down. Next we would have exponents. We have none. So how do we know which comes first, the 7 times 10 or the 10 divided by 2? Well, if you remember when I was explaining what PEMDAS is, we know that multiplication and division are interchangeable and we use them from left to right. So if we look at the left, it starts with 7 times 10. So we're going to do 7 times 10 equals 70 and then bring everything else down. Next would be division. So 70 divided by 2 is 35. So we're done with division. We can bring the 30 down, and 35 plus 30 gives us 65, which is our answer. Now what I would like you to do is work through questions 1 through 5. Pause it on the question slide and you'll be able to work through the problem, and then you can hit play and it will show you the worked out version so you can check your answers. Again, there's only 5 questions, so it's not that long, and please stay tuned through the entire video so I know that you are watching. This is what we went through on my Google Meet this week, so if you did not come, please go through this. So these are the questions we worked on in my Google Meet this week. If you were not able to attend, please work through these, and if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great weekend.